Hello guys, we
We
have
have
a
a
string
string
here.
here.
A
A
string
string
is
is
one of the important things in the Python programming. We
We
need
need
to
to
learn
learn
about
about
the
why
why
is
is
a
a
string
string
is
is
important
important
because
because
many
many
times
times
we
we
get
get
a
a
data,
data,
it's
it's
already
already
have
have
many
many
strings
strings
in
in
that we
that we
need
need
to
to
convert
convert
and
and
use.
use them.
Okay,
Okay,
let's
let's
learn
learn
about the
about the
string.
string.
We
We
know a
know a
little
little
about
about
them.
them.
We
We
just
just
skip
skip
this. They
this. They
are
are
all a
all a
string,
string,
a
a
string.
string.
How
How
about
about
this?
this?
What do
What
you
do you
think
think
about
about
this?
this?
Is
Is
this
this
a
a
string
string
or
or
not?
not?
Let's
Let's
run
run
it.
it.
As you
As you
can
can
see,
see,
we
we
can
can
save the
save the
comments
comments
in a
in a
string
string
too.
too.
Okay,
Okay,
let's
let's
go.
go.
This is
This is
not
not
important.
important.
We
We
learn
learn
about
about
them,
them,
but
but
the
the
thing
thing
we
we
are
are
going
going
to
to
learn
learn
about
about
is
is
that
that
the
the
string
string
is
is
some
some
kind
kind
of
of
created
created
of
of
many
many
things.
things.
For
For
example,
example,
let's
let's
create
create
this
this
code
code
and
and
tell you
tell you
what
what
I
I
mean.
mean.
Let's
Let's
paste it
paste it
here.
here.
Hello
Hello
world.
world.
Why
Why
it's
it's
printing
printing
E?
E?
Let
Let
me
me
create a
create a
code.
code.
For
For
example,
example,
we
we
have
have
an
an
string
string
called
called
A,
A
and
and
it's
it's
hello.
hello.
It's
It's
simply
simply
hello.
hello.
Let's
Let's
see,
see,
say,
say,
let me
let me
say
say,
you
you
want
want
to
to
have
have
the
the
first
first
alphabet
alphabet
of
of
this
this
word.
word.
How we
How we
can
can
get
get
that?
that?
You
You
maybe
maybe
don't
don't
have
have
anything
anything
in
in
your
your
mind.
mind.
You
You
some
some
kind of
kind of
think
think
that the
that the
hello
hello
is
is
like a
like a
cube
cube
that
that
we
we
save
save
everything
everything
in
in
it
it
and we
and we
can
can
divide
divide
it.
it.
But the
But the
thing
thing
is
is
that
that
the
the
hello
hello
is
is
we
we
save
save
it.
it.
The
The
computer
computer
save
save
it
it
like
like
something
something
like
like
this.
this.
The
The
computer is
computer is
saving
saving
it
it
like
like
this
this
15.
15. This
The
the
hello
hello
is
is
1,
one,
2,
two,
3,
three,
4,
four,
5,
five,
6
six
number
number
for the
for the
computer,
computer,
and we
and we
can
can
call
call
each
each
one
one
of
of
these
these
numbers,
numbers,
and
and
each one
each
of
one of
these
these
numbers
numbers
send
send
us
us
one
one
of
of
the
the
word
word
of
of
these,
these,
one of
one
the
of the
alphabet
alphabet
of
of
these
these
words. We
words. We
can
can
call
call
them
them
every
every
time we
time we
want.
want.
How?
How?
We
We
just
just
write
write
print
print
A
A
and
and
call the
call the
parameter we
parameter we
want. For
want. For
example, we
example, we
need
need
1.
one.
It
It
gave
gave
us
us
E.
E.
And
And
the
the
important
important
thing
thing
is
is
that,
that
let me
let me
create
create
a
a
text.
text.
It's
It's
a
a
start.
start.
It's a
It's a
start
start
from
from
0.
zero.
The
The
counting
counting
in
in
programming
programming
Python
Python
start
start
from
from
0.
zero.
Let's
Let's
see.
see.
I
I
teach you
teach you
here.
here.
I
I
means
means
that
that
H
H
index
index
is
is
0,
0,
E
E
index
index
is
is
1,
1,
L
L
index
index
is
is
2,
2,
O
O
index
index
is
is
4.
4.
Let's
Let's
see
see
if
if
we
we
say
say
A
A
0,
0,
it
it
gave
gave
us
us
H.
H.
If
If
we
we
tell it
tell it
6,
6,
it
it
gave
give
us
us
nothing
nothing
because we
because we
only
only
have
have
5.
5.
But
But
what
what
happened
happened
if we
if we
gave
gave
it
it
minus?
minus?
For
For
example,
example,
minus
minus
1.
1.
It
It
gave us
gave us
W.
W.
Why?
Why?
If
If
when we
when we
give
give
this
is
minus,
minus,
it's
it's
go
go
here
here
and
and
understand the
understand the
numbers
numbers
like
like
this.
this.
It's
It's
0,
0,
for
for
example.
example.
Let me
Let me
just
just
write
write
1
1
for
for
all
all
of
of
them
them
for
for
now.
now.
It
It
understand
understand
like
like
this.
this.
Minus 1,
1,
minus 2,
2,
minus 3,
3,
and
and
minus 4,
4,
minus 5.
5.
Let's,
Let's,
for
for
example,
example,
write
write
minus
minus
5.
5.
It
It
must
must
give
give
us
us
E.
E.
What
What
about
about
minus
minus
6?
6?
What
What
about
about
minus
minus
9?
9?
We
We
don't
don't
have
have
minus
minus
1.
1.
We
We
have
have
minus
minus
6.
6.
That's
That's
H.
H.
We
We
can
can
call
call
them
them
from
from
back
back
to
to
here.
here.
Okay.
Okay,
Get the
get the
character
character
at
at
the position
position
1.
1
I
I
teach you
teach you
about.
about. or we can use for. We don't know what for means. We learn about them, but sometimes you may ask how we can find the length of something. For example, if we want to know how many characters it have, we must search it or it have a function to find it. It have an easy function. We just call it len. Len a. It gave us 6 because the a has 6 alphabet in it. It gave us the length of our word. Check a string. We can check if something is a string by using this command. The string is always not one word. Sometimes it's like 10 or more than that sentence. We can by just inserting the string and see if it is in the string or not. I don't really use it, but have. You can use that. You can see it is not. Okay, let's go. Is not presented. Let's do the exercise. We will the result of the following code print x3 1 2 1 2. Pause the video and answer it by yourself. The C is the answer. Len, how we write it? We write it len x. That's easy. And the next question is, get the first character. It's really easy. 0. Next question. If we're in the text, it's easy to. Okay, we solved the problem. Now let's see how we can slice the string and do something to that. We can also slice it. For example, we can have from 2 to 5. It's really easy. We say the first word and the last word. It do the work for us. Or we can slice it one by type. A slice from the start, you can do it, or a slice from the end. Let's go and see what it has. Negative index. You can also use negative index. Now let's see and try to slice. For example, let's say lame, for example, thumbnail is equal to learning a star. We want to choose this star and choose this star thing only, not the whole thing. How we can do that? We just say print lame. How we can get the star? We just need to have its length at first. For that we print len lame. The len is 12. We need 12, 11, 10, 9. We just say 9 to 12. A star. We just go need one back. Or we can get it by writing something else. By just writing this. It gave us from the 8 to the end. For example, let me just put 2 here. It gave us the 2 here now. Or we can use this thing here to give us the learning. Let me just copy that, paste it here. 8. This is about slicing. It's really easy thing, but a tricky one. We can use it in the best way to create something. You need to learn. It's easy but tricky. Let's solve the exercise and in this lesson, what will be the result of the following code? X will come, 3 to 5, what is it? Come, come. 3 to 5 is 3. No, it's wrong. Y, it's 4. It's wrong. Y, it's 2. The thing is that you don't need to learn everything and memorize them. If you don't understand something, you just copy that and run it. Now you have the answer. You don't need to memorize everything. From index 2 to 4. txt 2, 4. 2 to 4. Let's write it in txt 1, 4. It's wrong. It's not a problem. We just copy that. It need to have LOL. We paste here. txt 2 to 5. Oh, sorry. I read the text syntax wrong. 2 to 5. You must try and make wrong problems to learn more. Okay, what it shows, it shows come. No, it shows come. I make mistakes, everyone makes mistakes. You just need to learn how to solve your mistakes. Have a good time until the next lesson we are going to learn about modifying the strings.